Yes, students, we have discussed about conduction and convection. Yes, now we will discuss about radiation. Radiation. So, it is the method of transfer of heat where no material is required. No material medium is required. Okay. In the conduction, there is solid material. Okay. The method of transfer of heat in solid is called conduction. Yes, we have already discussed it. Now, the radiation method of transfer of heat in which no material medium is required. No material medium is required means there is no need of gas, solid and liquid. Okay? It is a definition of radiation. Yes? I have told you that there is two important points that you should always keep in your mind. That what are the two important points? First is that air and water are bad conductor of heat. Yes, second point is air and liquid and gases when heated up, liquid and gases when heated, then it rises up. Yes, creating vacuum, and cool air surrounding it occupies its space, and cool air will take its place. These are the important points. Okay. Now, I am giving you an example that when you go out in the sun, the heat is coming to earth. Yes. In which medium, in which way it is coming? Which method of transfer is used? I am talking about heat only. Okay. Heat only, not the light. The person is feeling the heat due to radiation method. Why? Because why there is radiation? Because we all know that in space there is no air or any type of medium is not there. Okay, so means there is only vacuum. Okay, there in the space, I have already told you that in space or where there is vacuum, so the heat will flow. The method of transfer heat that it follows is radiation. Okay. Now we will do activity 4.9. Okay, so that this concept is more clear to you. Okay, so light a candle, keep one hand above the flame and one hand on the side of the flame. Do your hands feel equally hot? What is the activity? That light a candle. Yes. Okay, you will not perform this activity at your home. Okay, it is clear, because it is dangerous for you also. You will get harm. Okay, so what you will do, suppose that it is candle. Okay, and you will keep one hand above the flame and other hand on the side. Which hand will feel more heat? Yes, Krish. Which
The
heat?
above one.
And the above one, because
Yes.
the heat is going upstairs.
The above.
Yes.
It is
I
rising up.
told you that gases on heating because it is surrounded by gas because gas is everywhere. Okay, so the gas when it is heated by the flame. What will happen? It will move upwards.
एक्सक्यूज मैम
Yes.
मैम आपकी हैंडराइटिंग मैम लास्ट सेकंड सेंटेंस में मैम विजिबल नहीं है लास्ट सेंटेंस मैम कैन यू प्लीज
Okay. Will take its place. Okay, I am writing it. Okay. So the method of transfer of heat in gases is dash. Yes, anyone can answer?
मैं आपने क्या बोला?
The method of transfer of heat in gases. Which type of
Convection.
method? Yes.
Convection.
Yes, convection. Very good.
Convection.
Convection, because I told you that in the case of liquid and gases, there is convection. In the case of solid, there is conduction. Now we are doing radiation. Yes. Now, the person who जो आपके hands है, जो sides पे हैं, which type of method of transfer is there? I am telling you, just listen carefully. Okay. What is happening that when the gas is heated, okay, it rises up. That happened. Okay, यहाँ तक हो गया. What will do? What will it create? It will create vacuum. Therefore, for some time there is vacuum is created. I am showing this with the with a dot-like structure that there is vacuum. Okay, at that time, what happened? This heat moved to your side hand. Yes. So, this is not convection because when the gas heated, it rises up. But now it is not coming on the side. So, convection does not take place. Yes, what is happening? Then the method by which, because there is vacuum is created, at that time the heat of transfer occurred, and this heat of transfer is due to the radiation. Okay, clear? When the gas is heated up, it will rises up. There is a vacuum. At that time, the transfer of heat occurs to your hands. Okay, so the method is radiation. Now, coming to the next para, notice that towards the top, the hand gets heated by convection. Therefore, hand above the flame feels hot. The hand here will feel more heat. Yes, underline these lines. You have to written here also that this hand that is convection, and in this hand it is radiation. You can write on your book also. Yes. Now, there is another topic, sea breeze and land breeze. I'm just leaving this para for this time. Okay, I will do after discussing proper radiation concept. Okay, then I will come to the sea breeze and land breeze concept. Okay. Yes, now next is radiation. We will know more about radiation now. So, the next point is, when we go out in the sun, we feel warm. Yes. How does the heat is reaching us? That heat from the sun is reaching us not by conduction, not by convection, because there is no medium in the space. So the heat that is coming to us is due to the radiation, by the process of radiation. Okay. So other examples that are given in your book is that when we sit in the front of room heater, yes, we get heat by this process. Okay, the heat that is coming from room heater is coming coming towards you by the process of radiation. Okay, so the first example is room heater. We have also discussed the example of sun. Yes, so next is second example. When you put the hot utensil at shelf or on shelf, what is happening? Then after some time it will cool down. Yes, then the heat is transferred by the process of radiation. Okay, जो utensil गर्म था वो ठंडा कैसे हुआ? By the process of radiation. Clear? Yes, बच्चे? So similarly, the object, the all hot bodies will radiate. Okay, will radiate heat. Sorry, will रहने दीजिए. All hot bodies radiate heat. Okay. I have also given you the example in the first lecture. हम नहा के ठंडे पानी से बाहर आते हैं तो हम हीट कहाँ से लेते हैं? सराउंडिंग से. ओके, जब हम गर्म पानी से नहा के आते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी से सराउंडिंग हीट ले लेता है. ठीक है ना? हीट ट्रांसफर occurs. That is also by radiation. You can't see the radiations. Okay. Yes. So coming to the next para. These are the examples that are given on page number 43 where it is written in bold. You can underline it. Radiation. Yes, the examples are given in your book. So there is also important point is written on it. All hot bodies radiate heat. Yes. So there is in the next line, when this heat falls on an object, a part of it is reflected, absorbed and transmitted. थोड़ी सी लाइट क्या होती है? रिफ्लेक्ट, सॉरी लाइट नहीं, हीट. Some of the heat is reflected. Yes. And some of it is absorbed and a part of it may be transmitted. Yes. So now next, the temperature of the object increases due to the absorbed part of the heat. जितना ज्यादा means के absorb होगी heat. For example, I am giving you an example. कोई ये body है, इसने बहुत ज्यादा heat absorb कर ली. Then what will be the effect? There is increase in the temperature of the body. Okay, clear? Now, why you are advised to use an umbrella when you go out in the sun? Why you use umbrella when you go out in the sun? What is it? What is the use of that umbrella? What will
get
Protect us from extreme heat.
Yes, it protects us from the heat. And you also know that which type of rays are coming from sun?
Ultraviolet
Radiation
rays.
rays.
Yes.
Ultraviolet
UV
rays.
rays.
Very good. Very good.
UV rays.
Yes, UV rays that are coming from the sun. Yes, if it direct, why it is advised to take umbrella? Because that UV rays are also harmful for our skin. Okay, it also causes so many types of skin cancers. Okay, so therefore it is advised to use umbrella. Now it is clear. Radiation part is finished here. Okay. Now we will come to the topic sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, the para we have left. Now we will come to this point. Okay, so in simple meaning, I will tell you what is sea breeze and what is land breeze. Just listen carefully. Okay, I am rubbing this. Now these concepts are clear to you all. Always remember this point. Always, it will help you in all the method of transfer of heat. Yes, now land breeze and sea breeze. Firstly, we will discuss about land breeze only. Okay, then firstly we will discuss about sea breeze. Okay. So, what do you mean by sea breeze? Sea breeze. जो हवाएं, चलो ये आगे बताते हैं क्या है, ठीक है? So, for example, it is sea. Okay, I'm just drawing a line. It is sea and here is land. Okay, the sun is shining. It is a time of afternoon. Yes. So, what will happen? There is an also important point. Just note it down. Land get heated fastly than sea. Fastly than sea. Next is land get cooled fastly also. Then sea. Okay, these are the two important points that I am telling you before starting the concept. Okay, now sun is giving heat to land and sea both. Yes, but what happens? Land get heated fastly, so it get heat or the temperature is hot. Okay, it get heat. Yes, now what happens? The hot air from here, from the land rises up. Hot air rises up. Now it is rising up. I have told you when the air is heated, it rises up. Yes, and then what is created? And
Vacuums.
Vacuum is
Vacuum.
very good. Vacuum is created. So suppose that here the vacuum is created. Now what will happen? The air from the sea will take its place. Yes.
और देख ले आपको प्राणी है
It rises up. Vacuum created. Air from
आने
the
आज है ना
coming towards the. Please mute yourself. And air from the sea coming towards the land. Yes. So what is sea breeze? Sea breeze is the breeze. Is the breeze. हवाएं हैं. Breeze that flow from sea to land. Sea to land. So it is clear to you all now. What is sea breeze? Yes. Hot air rises up. Vacuum created. Air from sea takes its place. Yes. So sea breeze is a breeze that flows from sea to land. Clear? Now next
Yes,
topic. Yes. Manraj, I will take your doubt after land breeze. Okay, just wait. Now there is an also important point in sea breeze, that sea breeze flows at daytime. At which time? Flows at daytime. क्योंकि sun होगा ना उस time. ठीक है ना? सी ब्रीज कब चलेगी? सी ब्रीज कब आएगी? जब जो हवाएं कब चलेंगी? At the day time. Clear? Now I am rubbing this. Okay. Now we will move to the next land breeze. Now in the case of land breeze में क्या है?
जो पेड़ा ही नरेंद्र सागर
Please, land gets. You all know that land gets cooled fastly than sea. Yes, at the night time. Oh, I will rub with this on. Okay. Now, at the night time, there is no sun. Yes. The same is there sea and land. Yes. So, I told you that land get cooled easily, cooled fastly than sea. Yes. So what happens during the night time? लैंड का जो टेम्परेचर है वो बिल्कुल ठंडा है क्योंकि ये बहुत जल्दी ठंडी हो जाती है एज कंपेयर टू सी. यस. सो व्हाट हैपेंस एट दैट टाइम? लैंड इज मच कूलर देन सी. सो एट दैट टाइम द हॉट एयर राइजेस फ्रॉम सी. Yes, the hot air rises up, and what happen when the यहाँ पे hot air rises up, then vacuum is created. Spelling of vacuum is VACCUM. Okay. Now next is what will happen now? The air from land will take its place. Yes. So the breeze that flows from land to sun is called land breeze. Yes. What is the important point in this? That it occurs at night time when there is no sun. Night time. Okay. Yes. Clear?